day 7.
No, it's not. It's day 8.
Of the Barefoot Captains Log. We are really sailing now, but not for want of trying. A lot has happened today. It's been a really big day. We are about 120 mile northeast of the Gold Coast. Well and truly on our way. We have all 3 sails up, all 3 sails back up, which is awesome. Yesterday we had the big headsail here, the big screecher. We had him unravel, start flapping. We couldn't get it to go away in 25 knots of wind. We couldn't furl it properly, and massive problems. It's broken things, and I didn't realize the damage was as bad as it was, but it's damaged the striker and the bowsprit. And when I found that this morning, I was that close to turning us around and taking us home.
Can you see the damage? One of the seams is torn.
Almost at the point we would have to go home because of the way the damage is. But I found a way to strengthen it up, pull it all in for the moment. And then we went on a mission to repair everything. We'd broken one of the bridles to the bowsprit and bent a few things. So I had to come up with a way to reattach that bridle while we're out here at sea. So that meant jumping on a paddleboard. Stand-up paddleboard will be my life vest. I hope the boat and my crew don't sail away on me and leave me out there. Jumped on a paddleboard, went around the front, and even though the swell was going way up and down, managed to get that bridle back reattached. Business. That was really hard. Heaps harder than it looked. The crew yell out, there's dolphins everywhere. We had 2 dolphins cruising around us while we're trying to fix this thing. That really buoyed me, really gave me the energy to, even though I was sick, to get that fixed. Once we got that bridle on, we were able to pull tension back up on the bowsprit, take the pressure off the striker. That way, it's not going to do any more damage up the front there, and we're able to put the screecher back out because finally the wind has dropped a little bit. Look, it's beautiful now. The sun's setting, Gabby's making dinner. We're going to eat something, and yeah, another day and a half or so to get to Cato. So please remember, subscribe, follow, ask me some more questions, and I'll be back at you tomorrow to give you the next update. Hoping for really beautiful weather tomorrow. This is the Captain signing off from Barefoot Captains Log. See you tomorrow.